the next thing we're going to look at is absolute value. Now, what absolute value is? It's the distance from a number to 0. Now, the key thing is distance. Now, distance in mathematics is always positive. So that means the absolute value of a number is always going to be positive. So, for example, suppose we consider 3. Now, the distance of 3 from 0 is 3 units. And with distance, we're not concerned if it's to the right or to the left. It's like if you need to get somewhere on time. If it's 10 miles away, do you have time to get there? And whether it's driving north, south, east, or west, it might not matter. Now consider -3. It's also 3 units away from 0. So what we say is this: the absolute value, which we represent by putting the number between two vertical bars. Putting a number between these bars means we're asking for the absolute value of that number, or the absolute distance that number has from 0. So 3 was 3 units away, and also -3 is 3 units away. So the absolute value of the negative, again, is positive. In fact, a way of thinking about absolute value is it keeps positive things still positive and makes negative things also positive. So it makes everything positive. Another thing with absolute value, we treat it like parentheses. We're going to treat absolute value like it's parentheses. So for example, well, here we have 5 minus 3 inside some absolute value bars. So what we'll do is we'll do this first like parentheses. So that's going to be the absolute value of 2. So the absolute value of 2 is just 2. So what we have is 2 times the absolute value. Well, that's now going to become this. 2 times the absolute value of 2. 1 plus 4, or 5. That's it. So that's absolute values. Any questions? Let me know.